Creative Arts Center. Clap them, please. And the fourth place, the Institute of Jamaica Junior Center. Clap them, please. And in the parish of St. Catherine, which school you think is the most outstanding school? No man on the daddy is a which school? Put your hands together for first place for St. Catherine, the Ascot High School. Make some noise. Oh, we're not talking just Portmore alone, you know. We're talking about the whole set, you know what I mean? They beat out 10 G ago. What we say? What we say? They beat out St. Catherine High School. What we say? Ascot. Portmore. No sir, no sir. Let's go up and send in the home. All right, in fourth place on the parish of St. Catherine is the Portmore Dance Group. Put your hands together for them, Portmore dancers. And in fifth place for the parish of St. Catherine, Bridgeport Primary School. Clap them, please. All right, we're going to be handing out the awards at this time. And so I'm going to ask Mrs. Marjorie Hines to assist us with handing out these certificates. I'm going to ask a representative from all the schools, please, to stand by. Bright Beginnings Educational Center. Can we have a representative? Following Bright Beginnings, we have Bridgeport Primary School. Bridgeport Primary. Bridgeport Dance Ensemble, please come. A representative, Bridgeport Dance Ensemble. And the final one, Belmont Park Primary School. Thank you, First Lady Hines. We're going to ask Councillor McCormack to come and hand out the other set of certificates for us. Can a representative of the Ascot High School please come? Can we have, please remain, Andre Hines. And finally, the Portmore dancers. All right.
Ascot High School, where are you? Councillor Edwards. Where's Ascot? Councillor McCormack. Yeah. Now, Councillor Edwards is the councillor that would represent the division that Ascot is in. Councillor McCormack is the Civic and Community Affairs councillor. And I am their boss. But I must tell you, as a mayor, I sat in an evening of excellence at the University of the West Indies with the Ascot High School, and I must tell you, I was as proud as a peacock. Believe me, when I saw the talent coming out of Ascot High School, and to come here again this evening, Ascot, and you do it all over again on a bossy. On a bossy. Well, I'd just like to tell you that Councillor Edwards and McCormack will get in touch with the school, and the mayor and this group of people is going to take out Ascot to somewhere in the country, a nice bus trip, food and this and that and thing. And we're going to enjoy a day with you, just to encourage you to keep on holding the Portmore School flag high. You all not going to school and you don't need to go to no school at town. We have some Bashman school in Portmore. Bridgeport, Ascot, where you? Greater Portmore High School, where you? Waterford, where there? Yes, man. And we want to show our appreciation because this group have the most gold medals in the island. Am I correct? Yes? They have the most gold medals anywhere in the island. And we as a council want to show our appreciation to our school while we're here. Well done. Well done, well done, well done, well done. God bless you.
Mayor Hines. You have to go on the stage, please. Mr. Tobias, you are requested to come and collect this trophy on behalf of Ascot High School. Now you see that wonderful piece about don't blame the government? It was prepared by Mr. Tobias. Where is Mr. Murray? Come on, Mr. Murray, please to come. Yes, you have to go up there. Comes from Michael Edwards to present them with the replica of that trophy. Just in case them earrings are good. The mayor says he's going to take them somewhere where? In the country. Not outside of the country. So all who have planned to go Trinidad and Curacao and Panama. I don't have Sentan now, I don't have Moko in a Clarendon and Naco. It's joke. in the country. Alright, we have Councillor McCormack here and she's going to be making a special presentation.
We wanted a better MC, say praise the Lord. No, but you shouldn't say nothing. Because you don't want a better MC. Nicole Williams, can I ask you to come on stage and make a presentation? Wasn't she a wonderful MC? Does she deserve this? Is she deserving? Good, I think so too. Nicole.
Bad man. All of you know I clap me bad man. But we are going to do? We are going to burn out. Bad man. Alright, clap me better than that. First of all, I'd like to thank God. And then I'd like to thank my mother. Okay, we're winding down. Put your hands together right at this time. We're going to have the Portmore dancers with their piece. Clap them. To come and move the vote of thanks.
Thank you very much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I want to say a special good evening to the beautiful set of young ladies at the front, and I want everyone else to give them a round of applause. It shows the type of beauty. I hear everyone talking about talent in Portmore, but what about the beauty? I will go nowhere else in the world to find a beautiful woman but in Portmore. And I actually have found one already. But I just want to say it's been a wonderful evening, and I just want to brag a bit, because when I sat there and I saw Ascot High School and I saw Belmont Park Primary School, and I saw Ascot Primary, and I heard mention of Silverstone Basic School. Guess what? All of those schools are in my division. And they say great hard work gives great rewards, don't it? Okay, and I am very delighted to see the great work that the teachers have been putting in. And you know, it's only fitting that we'll be treating Ascot High School in a manner that only winners deserve to be treated. So give Ascot a round of applause for me once more. Ascot High School. I just want to say thanks to our mayor, His Worship Keith Hines for taking time out of his busy schedule to come and join with us today in Festival of Talents at the Art Academy, along with the First Lady of Portmore, Mrs. Hines. So give them a warm round of applause, please. I want to say thanks also to the Member of Parliament who had to run off to another function for being here with us this evening. I want to say special thanks to the only other councillor present here this evening, Councillor Yvonne McCormack of the Greater Portmore East Division. How could we forget that beautiful lady? Marsha, could you stand for me? Let them see you, man. Clap our man. Thank the chairperson of the Civic Affairs Committee and the members of the Civic Affairs Committee, namely Mr. Fred Daly, Chairperson Yvonne McCormack, and you have other persons, Nicole Morrison from the council, Anna K. Anderson, our own Miss Swaby, and lots of others. Miss Cavell Price, whose name is on the paper about 10 times because she represents in so many categories. I want to thank the JCDC St. Catherine for coming together with us to put on this wonderful event. The Portmore Art Academy for accommodating us this evening, lending us this beautiful hall. Clap the Portmore Art Academy for giving us the hall for this wonderful event this evening. I want to say special thanks to all the schools and the groups that participated this evening. Without them, it could not be possible. So give all the participants a round of applause. But ladies and gentlemen, when we clap the schools and we applaud the schools, without the knowledge and the input and the foresight of the teachers, they could not give us such warm performances. So I wanted to give a big up to all the teachers for preparing these wonderful talents here tonight. All the teachers. No man, clap the teachers them louder than that, man. Teachers deserve it. How could we forget our wonderful and cheerful and joyful MC, Miss Nicole Williams? Mayor, I don't know if the spot booked out for Wednesday's ceremony already, you know, but I believe Miss Williams must be one of those MCs because she has proven her worth tonight. And with my recommendation, I'm going to tell her that she needs to go and join the comedy bus. Because if it makes she make up all of them joke, the boy, she great. Yeah man, give the MC a warm round of applause, Miss Nicole Williams, sorry. We want to thank Jamaica Beverages for providing the refreshments for all the talents. Jamaica Beverages, and you know, if you're performing and you are thirsty and you know, dehydrated, you can continue, don't it? So we want any corporate sponsor that comes on board with these types of events, we have to give them healthy big ups. So big up Jamaica Beverages. Give them a clap for all the refreshments. I want to also thank Colatas Fragrances and Gift Center for their donation. And the talents couldn't look pretty and bright on stage if we didn't have the lovely lighting from Craft Browning. Did I get that right? Craft Browning for lighting. And I don't know how many of you were paying attention, but when the Bridgeport dancers did one of their piece, you know, this was all Portmore talent because the song that they did was actually done by Vybz Kartel, who is also from Portmore. So we need to give it up for that as well. Pure talent. We want to say thanks, very many thanks to our guest artist, Mr. Hayatone. And I have always heard that artist on the radio, you know. And I didn't know that he was such a vibrant Rasta man, you know. Looking well, slick and singing him shoes. And yes, the mayor said the guest artist can leave the shoes with him. Just that they might have to cut the back mirror and fit it in like slippers. All right, one time Mr. Christopher standing for the lovely music. And Cavell Price again for decorations. And I know some of you might be having your private functions. You can check Miss Cavell Price at www.cavellprice.com and you'll get wonderful price and everything to go with it. And how could we forget the media? How could we forget the media? I want to thank TVJ, Genie TV, Miss Cavell Price again, and Mr. Delroy Higgins and Still Cameras. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a lovely evening, and may God go with you wherever your place of abode may be, and see you here or some other venue next year. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. All right, don't move yet. You see, because you're such a nice audience, we have Brata. Say Brata. Listen, man, Jamaica people love Brata, don't it? You know, I went to a Chinese man store yesterday and get Brata. Chinese man store, so good. Brata, put your hands together and welcome the Bridgeport dancers. Bridgeport dancers with their piece entitled His Presence. Come on, clap them again.
Your face at home
by the Portmore Mall. So you can take yourself over there. What them say, take for yourself. And go over by the mall. They have Ragashanti over there. IT and Fancy Cat, Lemon, and many other members of the Comedy Bus team. Alright, so that's a little word of announcement. If you don't have anything else to do, you want to get in some comedy and take in some fashion, then Portmore Mall is the place to be. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and do have a good night. Mr. Music.
Get behind, the massive come down. Feel the vibe, the massive come down. Come the road, the massive come down. Oh, the massive come down. Inna the sun, the massive come down. Inna the rain.
Hi, my name is Marsha Marie Campbell, currently Miss St. Catherine Festival Queen 2008, and I will be introducing all the 21 contestants in this year's Miss Teen Portmore competition. Stay tuned.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Shrida Martina Viva, a contestant of the Miss Teen Portmore pageant, and I'm proudly sponsored by the Mac Department Store. Thank you. My name is Tashana Williams, and I'm proud to wear the sash this Monty Carlo Week. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sharika Lawrence, and I'm proud to wear the sash Miss Solar and Fire Protection Services. Hi, everyone. My name is Shanice Bergman, and I'm sponsored by Com Britain Service Station. Hi, I'm Shanika Miller, and I'm proudly wearing the sash of Miss Bristol Motor. Hello, I am Jordan Campbell, a contestant in the Miss Teens Portmore 2008. I am proudly sponsored by Portmore Beverages. Good evening, everyone. I'm Faith Henny, proud to wear the sash of Robbie Devano's Ice Cream Parlor. Thank you. Everyone, I'm Benisha Bedford, contestant of Miss Teen Portmore 2008, and I'm proud to wear the sash Miss China Export Trading. Good evening, I'm Julie Foster, and I'm proudly sponsored by Julie International. Good evening, everyone. My name is Katana Palmer, and I'm sponsored by Miss Choice Alloy Aluminum Co. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sonia Douglas, and I'm proud to wear the sash Miss Barks Construction. Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Teresa Wilkinson, and I'm proud to wear the sash Miss Western Medical Center. Thank you. Hi, my name is Shakira Stern, and I proudly wear the sash of Style City and Home Center, Minnesota. Everyone, my name is Shanae Barnes, and I proudly wear the sash Miss Formal Heights Pharmacy. Thank you. Hi, I'm Camille Hamilton, and I proudly wear the sash Miss Darkin. Hi, everyone. My name is Kersha Michael, and I proudly wear the sash Miss Hobby Hunt. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Miss Dan Hawkins, and I'm proud to wear the sash Miss Penny for Fabric. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Daniela Manning. I proudly wear the sash Miss Friendlies. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tony Lilo, and I proudly wear the sash of Miss Junior's Restaurants and Lounge. Thank you. Hi, everyone. I'm Alexia Bowman, and I'm proud to wear the sash Miss Farson's Trucking. Good evening, everyone. I am Andrew Winter, and I am proudly wearing the sash Miss Kantara. Thank you.
So that's it. There you have all 21 contestants in this year's Miss Teen Portmore competition. Bye now.